Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with an interesting topic, how to set realistic goals and achieve them. There should be only one goal. If you have a second choice, if I can't achieve the goal, then I will go for this, then definitely you can't achieve the goal. You will end up with the second choice. How to set SMART goals is in the word SMART itself. A goal should be always specific, measurable, attainable, realistic and time-bound. Factors that start a goal are daydreams, imaginations and hopes. The worries, struggles and busyness of life can easily become barriers to achieve a goal. There are two types of goals, long-term goals and short-term goals. Both are interconnected with each other. The long-term goals are your dreams, whereas short-term goals are the small steps or achievements on a day-to-day basis to attain the long-term goals. Here I like to share some tips to achieve your goals. Make goals, not wishes. A goal should be something that you can work towards during a period of time, not something that falls into your lap through luck. Be specific. When you are setting long-term goals for your life and career, it's important to be as specific as possible. Get into detail about what you want and think about it in very concrete terms. Write down your goals. When you set long-term goals, you need to write them down. This single act will take your goal out of the realm of the mind and into the physical world. Break your long-term goals into short-term goals. Once you have decided on your long-term goals, you will then need to break them down into a series of short-term goals so that it will be easy to deal with. Remember your long-term goals. You have set your long-term goals and even written them down. We need to have a constant reminder of why we are doing this. Your long-term goals should be displayed somewhere prominent where you can see them every day. Re-evaluate and adjust. Always keep your goal in mind, but always be willing to adjust course to get to it. Don't give up. Realize and understand that the road to success is never straight. You will inevitably come up against obstacles and barriers to your goals. This is not the time to quit. One final thought. Fear of failure is the number one reason most people will never become as successful as they could be. Come out of your fear and comfort zone. A quote for you. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. Thanks for watching. I will come up with another motivational video.